Doing things a little bit differently today because I got a new barbell and I'm trying to break it in and get all the fresh barbell oil off. Today we're going to be talking about a phenomenon called the heel turn. If you don't know what a heel is, then you probably don't watch wrestling, but I'm going to explain it for you. A heel is the villain. You know, he's the bad guy. He's the guy that everybody fucking loathes and hates and is just an asshole. And a heel turn is when somebody who was previously a good guy wrestler or a face turns into a shitbird overnight. So today's heel turn talk for this wonderful, illustrious Sunday story is about a guy who was going to do PR for us. He had done PR previously for Jacob and I's old band for what we didn't know at the time was our last tour. And he did a good job with it. Got some press that it wouldn't have gotten otherwise. So we decided that we wanted this guy to do PR for our last release, because on that tour I think we realized that that band had run its course, so we were calling it quits. We paid him his advance, and we paid him in advance. Nothing happened. Like fucking 3 months of just no contact. Yeah. No Facebook responses or emails responded to or anything. Nothing. He just took our money and split. And then he finally did get a hold of me later on and said that he was working on the Throne of Iron campaign instead, and we didn't have a release date set for that record, and we also didn't pay him to work on that record.
So that was a fucking lie.
He also at one point tried telling us that our good buddy Matt Bacon is a liar and a swindler and a con man, and then I'm over here finding out that this guy is getting fired from the publication that he works for because he keeps promising bands releases and then not typing them. Meanwhile, Matt Bacon is letting us crash in his living room because we can't go to Europe. So that's a quick little dirty heel turn story for the day, and I'm sure that there will be more of these, and I'm sure you have plenty of them too. So if you have any heel turns that you'd like to summarize, drop them down in the comments.